How to reinstall audio driver in Windows. First of all, click on the search icon that you can see at bottom. What you have to do is search for Device Manager. Click on the option Open in order to open it. Now after you do that, the Device Manager will be opened. Scroll down and click on this option Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Over here, you'll be able to see the audio devices. What you have to do is right click on the audio device that you would like to reinstall. After you do that, click on the option Uninstall Device. Click on the option Uninstall. After that, you can see over here it will be uninstalled. Now what you have to do is simply restart your device in order to reinstall the driver. Click on the start icon. Now click on the power button. Click on the option restart in order to restart your device. Now Windows will automatically reinstall the audio driver once it is restarted. Like this, you can reinstall audio driver in Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.